eyes pulling me to and fro.
Quantum AI ML Science Fair June 21st, 2025. Welcome, I am new to making, build and public video content, so I am going full steam at it. Keep in mind that I am old, Gen X, and I don't have a lot of steam anymore. Presenting my collaborative, experimental research project, through this, build and public, method, has opened my eyes to the infinite and open idea parameter space where everyone is allowed to engage these computer network systems and services to create, whatever, however, whenever, wherever, whyever and with whomever. My philosophical intuition is ringing, why not take advantage of this while you can, and other interesting ideas. This sense of WTF. Why not, is an attitude that actually feels like building up steam and gaining momentum, metaphorically. If you have ever thought about what time feels like at any particular moment, for me, this moment, so far, so good. This video doesn't require you to watch it. The visual dynamic for this video is vibe gaming, it keeps me going during these unusual times. The research content in this video are some of the recorded dialogue between an AI researcher, me, corporate stereotype, and various AI systems, Grok, ChatGPT, Gemini, Qwen, Claude, Meta. These experiments were conducted on June 20th, 2025. The context of this research is to initiate and sustain the action of seeking first principles dynamics while conceptualizing, architecting and developing tools with AI. Building these tools for the purpose of applying them in the context of studying AI while collaborating with AI. We participate and collaborate and offer our contribution to the effort of ASI/AGI manifestation.
On the prize, through every high, through every low, just flow with the go, yeah, flow with the go. Tides may rise, you've got to keep your eyes on the prize. Through every high, through every low, just flow with the go, yeah, flow with the go. In the rush, in the chase, there's no need to keep up the pace. Find your rhythm, let it show, and flow with the go, yeah, flow with the go. Fractal dynamics, natural build-up. Fractal dynamics, natural build-up. Fractal dynamics, natural build-up. Tomato, natural with the go. Just flow with the go.
Based on the provided system description, the difficulty in identifying insightful information and requests to the LLM that responds with the Quantum AI ML Science Fair circularity results, the following potential circularities and feedback loops can be identified and analyzed from a systems perspective, including relevance to the F0Z framework. 1. Circularity 1. Output feedback loop affecting input formulation * description of pattern * the LLM's output pertains to. Circularity results. The user's difficulty lies in formulating insightful requests or identifying insightful information. A circular dependency exists if the nature of the LLM's response, being about circularity, or perhaps presented in a complex, nonlinear manner reflecting the topic, actively contributes to or perpetuates the user's difficulty in formulating subsequent, more insightful inputs. The output, instead of clarifying and guiding, exacerbates the input problem. * potential implications * this forms a negative feedback loop regarding the improvement of user interaction and understanding. It can lead to stagnation, where the user is trapped in a cycle of formulating poor requests, receiving unhelpful, or difficult to interpret, responses, and being unable to improve their prompting strategy. This hinders knowledge acquisition and task progress, potentially leading to user frustration and system abandonment. It acts as a form of lock-in to a low insight state. *F0Z context * in F0Z, this can be modeled as a feedback loop within the process flow between the user, as a system or component, and the LLM, as another system/component. The information flow from the LLM's output influences the user's subsequent controlled action, input formulation. The fact that the feedback loop is negative, increasing difficulty, prevents the system-user LLM interaction from converging towards an optimal state of insightful knowledge exchange. F0Z analysis could focus on the transformations occurring within the LLM and how the form of its output, specifically regarding circularity results, interacts with the constraints and state of the user's understanding and prompting capability, identifying where the feedback becomes detrimental. 2. Circularity 2. Self-referentiality in the domain topic * description of pattern * the core subject matter the LLM is addressing is circularity results. The user's challenge is identifying insightful information about this very subject. This creates a conceptual self-reference. The problem, difficulty identifying insight, exists within the domain whose subject is circularity. Gaining insight into circularity might itself require nonlinear or recursive understanding, making conventional, linear request-response interactions inherently difficult. The information is about circularity, and the difficulty is related to grasping that circularity. * potential implications * this is less a dynamic system loop and more an inherent property of the information domain itself influencing the interaction. It can lead to paradoxes or cognitive challenges where linear reasoning or standard query structures struggle to grasp recursive or self-referential concepts. It might require a paradigm shift in how information is requested or presented, e.g., iterative exploration, meta-level questioning, which the current interaction model might not support, thereby reinforcing the difficulty. *F0z context *. This speaks to the domain and the information structure within it. F0z acknowledges that systems can exhibit self-referential properties. This isn't necessarily a breakdown in process, but a fundamental challenge in representing and transforming information about a self-referential concept. F0z could analyze how the inherent circularity within the domain constrains the possible forms of insightful information and the forms of effective requests, highlighting the boundaries imposed by the nature of the subject matter on the interaction system. 3. Circularity 3. User's mental model interaction loop *. Description of pattern *. The user's difficulty stems from their internal process of identifying what constitutes insightful. This process is based on their current, likely incomplete or flawed, mental model of the topic, quantum AI ML science fair circularity results, and the LLM's capabilities. The LLM's response updates the user's mental model. If the response is unclear, too complex, or its circularity topic is conceptually challenging, it might degrade or confuse the user's mental model, making it harder to formulate better requests subsequently. Potential implications *. This is a user-centric feedback loop where the interaction with the system negatively impacts the user's internal cognitive state, their understanding and strategy. It prevents the user's mental model from converging towards one that facilitates effective interaction and insight generation. This can lead to reduced user confidence and inability to leverage the LLM effectively for this specific, complex topic. *F0z context *. This involves modeling the user system and the LLM system as interacting entities. The state of the user's mental model is updated via information flow from the LLM's output. The user's control prompting is a function of this internal state. The identified difficulty indicates that this is a negative feedback loop in terms of improving the user's state towards desired insight. F0z could analyze the transformations occurring within the user's cognitive system based on the LLM's input and how constraints in either system, e.g., LLM's explanation style, user's background knowledge, reinforce the loop, preventing the system from reaching a more effective attractor state. These circularities highlight the complex dynamic when the subject of interaction is itself a complex, potentially self-referential concept like circularity, especially within specialized domains like quantum AI ML. Analyzing these loops is crucial for designing interventions to break the negative cycles and facilitate more effective knowledge discovery.
You've got to keep your eyes on the prize, but I found a way to take it slow. Just flow with the go, yeah, flow with the go. Winds may blow and tides may rise. You've got to keep your eyes on the prize. Just flow with the go, yeah, flow with the go.